Pretty much the base you can get in stainless steel, but it is what it is. It has a much better design than the previous one. So this has, the pump just goes in the bottom, and then I assume the wire will come out one of these two holes on the edges there. The filter for it, thankfully, is a standard filter, a semi-standard at least. There's millions of these on Amazon. Lots of brands use them, so it'll be easy to find replacements for it. The previous one of these that I had, after almost a year of searching, I've been unable to find another filter that fits it, so this should be good. This is also stainless steel, no problem, dishwasher, but they wipe right off, just 304. Filter goes in here. The concern my wife brought up was that, since this is plastic and this is stainless steel, is this going to gather like goo and basically require further cleaning than the steel will? Time will tell. I'll probably do a revised review of this later and see how things are going, but so far we're off to a good start.
Okay, so we've already tested it and it works, but the problem we're having is that this metal part doesn't lock into place. It's loose, like the wire sticking out of the back here. You can see it, the wire for the USB. There's nowhere for it to come out on the stainless steel part, and the stainless steel part won't stay down. So I guess we just kind of gotta hope that it does, I guess. And it didn't come with the brush that it said it would come with too. And it says it's not machine, don't put it in the dishwasher, even though it says on the site to put it in the dishwasher. The instructions say not to, so not sure yet. We'll have to see how this works.
Ti piace l'acqua, Selly? È fontanella nuova.
come si può notare, è attaccata correttamente alla spina, c'è il LED acceso, ma la fontanella non tira fuori l'acqua dal rubinetto, ed è la quarta che compro. Anche questa volta dovrò fare il reso. Ecco